Big news for budget iPhone fans. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple might be dropping the next-gen iPhone SE 4 as early as next week, with an official launch later in February. But don't expect a big flashy event. Apple is likely to announce it through a simple press release. The iPhone SE 4 is finally getting a major glow-up. Apple is ditching the old-school bezels and the Touch ID home button, giving the SE 4 a fresh iPhone 14-inspired design. That also means Face ID is coming to the SE for the first time, officially marking the end of Touch ID in the iPhone lineup. Another huge change is under the hood. The iPhone SE 4 will be the first iPhone to feature Apple's own custom modem chip. While it won't be as advanced as Qualcomm's modems just yet, this is a big step toward Apple cutting down on its reliance on third-party suppliers. Performance-wise, the SE 4 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. It's expected to come with the same A18 chip that will be in the iPhone 16, along with 8 gigs of RAM, so you can expect smooth performance and solid longevity. Apple is also adding a USB-C port, which means it can officially be sold in Europe again. The camera setup is getting an upgrade too, with a single 48-megapixel rear camera, which should provide a big boost in photo quality. And yes, Apple Intelligence will be supported, so AI features will be in the mix as well. With all these upgrades, pricing is expected to go up, but not by too much. The current iPhone SE sits at $429, and while Apple might bump the price up slightly due to the faster chip, Face ID, and other improvements, it should still stay under $500. That way, it remains a solid competitor to budget-friendly options from Samsung and Google. And that's not the only thing Apple has planned. Gurman also suggests that Apple will unveil the new Powerbeats Pro 2 around February 11, so if you're in the market for wireless earbuds, that's something else to keep an eye on. So, are you excited for the iPhone SE 4? Do these upgrades make it a must-buy, or are you waiting for the iPhone 16? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.